Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss my opinion like why it is important to apply for your GCMS notes and understand it before you reapply a refused visa for Canada. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a migration agent. Whatever I tell in this video is totally based on my research and analysis and it should and experience, and it should not be considered legal advice at all. If you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like when you apply for a Canada visa and for whatever reason, if it gets refused, you get a refusal letter where you get a high level reason why it has been refused. And it varies case by case. In someone's case, it could be insufficient funds. In someone's case, it could be like duration of visa, incorrect category, officer thinks you will not come back, so many, okay? They give you a high level reason. And in most of the cases, like they say that you are welcome to reapply as long as you can answer that concern. So when you get this reason, you can reapply, you can address, like if funds not sufficient, you can provide more document, whatever. But if you see the reason is like high level, but if you are reapplying, it would be really good for you, or in other terms better for you, if you know this in details. And these details you are not going to get in the refusal letter, rather than you will get it in the GCMS notes previously, which was called CAPS notes. So once you get the notes, you go through it, you see that what are the documents the officer has considered, his opinion, his analysis and his judgment, and there you can, after analyzing it in details, you can find out yourself that where exactly it has gone wrong. I mean, why it has gone wrong. And then you can take a call, like if you would really like to then you can take a call like, okay, this is the concern, how I'm gonna address it. Because I have done in one of the cases before for my I mean, it was not for me, it was for one of my family members. Like it was refused, and then they ordered notes, and then they went through it, and then they got it successful in the next attempt. So that is why I'm sharing the experience with you guys, that this is how it works. Now it's totally your call if you want to apply or not, but my personal suggestion, again, don't consider it legal, my personal suggestion would be it's good because you're gonna get the detailed information. Rest is up to you guys. Thanks for watching.